Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In case you are new here, my name is Manisha. If you are into skincare like me, then this video is the one you don't want to miss out. So I'm gonna compare two of the most popular Korean retinol serums in the market. That is the Some by Me Retinol Intense Reactivating Serum and the Baha 2.5% retinol serum. Now, I've used both of these products and also talked about these products in a lot of different videos. And today I'm going to break down the ingredients, texture, how they work and which skin type needs to buy which one. And also if you are a beginner, make sure you listen out properly because retinols are definitely amazing for your skin, but it can be a little harsh and create skin problems if not used correctly. So let's get started and talk about these two products. For the ingredient breakdown of Some by Me Retinol Serum, this one right here is a powerful blend. It has retinol, retinol, bokchol, which is basically a plant-based alternative to retinol. It also includes niacinamide and panthenol for skin soothing, and it is designed to be gentle yet effective on your skin. Now, this in my opinion is the best product for beginners since it doesn't cause any sensitivity issue and it only contains 0.1% of retinol in it. The Baha on the other hand contains 2.5% of retinol serum. This however is the first retinol that I've ever tried and I absolutely fall in love with this one. This is my second or third purchase, and it's a thing about me that if I like something, I continuously buy that product. I just don't believe in switching up my products a lot, but right now I'm definitely using a lot of different products for the review purposes. I've put all my friends onto this and they all absolutely love this one. This contains 2.5% of retinol. Still, it is very lightweight and amazing texture, and it doesn't feel sticky, oily or heavy on the skin. I absolutely love the formula of this one. Now, talking about the verdict of the ingredient list, I will say the Some by Me is more beginner friendly and has a well-rounded formula, while Baha is more focused on strength and hydration of your skin. Now, talking about the texture and application of both of these products, the Some by Me actually has the most amazing texture I have used in a retinol serum. And see, it's first of all, it has a very gel cream like consistency. It is not watery. The packaging for me is a bummer here because it is so difficult to get the product out from this dropper, as you can see. But anyways, this is what the retinol texture looks like. This smells like a spa itself. It is the most beautiful fragrance. I will say it's very lightweight. It makes you feel like you are in a spa routine. That's what I feel about this product. It is very hydrating on the skin. I wake up with the most dewy glowy skin next day after using this product. This is amazing. Now, this one I feel like is a slightly tacky formula, not like the tackiest of all, but it is like, first of all, watery. It is very watery in texture. It just absorbs into your skin very quickly. I will say 60 seconds to get absorbed into your skin. Still very hydrating. After applying the serum, you feel like you have something on your skin, which is a good thing for some and bad for others. With this one, you don't feel like you have anything on your skin, but this definitely feels like you have something on your skin, and I hope it makes sense. And I will say Some by Me definitely feels a little bit more luxurious on the skin compared to the Baha one. Now, talking about the results, okay, let's be real, I am not very regular with my skincare. It's not like I do my skincare every single day. In fact, most of the days I don't do anything, just apply my moisturizer, which is not a good thing. This is what I do when I get super tired. But having said that, I will say I am very particular about what not to do with my skin, and that is the reason I feel like I don't face major skincare issues. I don't mix several different acids or retinol and everything. That's the reason. So I'm gonna talk about the results that I noticed like immediately after using these products. And for the long term, I have finished one bottle of this. This is my second one, also almost empty. This one is the third one, I will say. So for the short-term results, I will say these two makes your skin brighter, feels amazing on the skin, have a very luxurious texture, beginner friendly. Let's say if you're someone who have never used retinol in their life, go for Some by Me for sure. And Baha if your skin is not very sensitive. Now, talking about the price and availability of both of these. Now, Some by Me ranges from $20 to $30 Canadian, depends on which website you are buying and depending on the discounts at the time of purchase. And Baha I would say is the most affordable out of these two and ranges from $15 to $20 depending again on which website or store you are buying it from and the discount that goes on at the time of the purchase. And you can buy both of these products on Amazon, Yes Style, Style Korea. So which one should you buy? Of course, the Baha wins in terms of affordability and how it performs. But if you are a beginner and you don't want any sensitivity issues or you have sensitive skin, then go for this Retinol Intense Serum from Some by Me. But if you have normal, dry or oily skin, I would say both of this is gonna work exact same on your skin tone, so you can buy depending on your budget. And I hope I've covered every single thing in this video. But yeah, one last thing before I sign off. Start with only 2 days a week. Don't ever use it in the daytime. Retinol is meant to be used on nighttime only. Always wear your sunscreen. It's crucial, it's mandatory. Wear your sunscreen if you don't want to damage your skin, because retinols make your skin photosensitive, so it's more sensitive to UV rays now. Lastly, don't pair your vitamin C and retinol combined. It's gonna cause blunder in your skin, so please don't do that. And that's all that I wanted to share in this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching this one, and let me know if you want a dedicated routine using either of these. I'll love to film that next. Thank you so much for your time and trust. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye, and I'll see you in my next video.